Consider a standard deck of 52 cards. How many 5-card hands can be formed that include 2 hearts and 3 clubs? So we're looking for a hand that is 5 cards in total, and in that hand we've got two of our cards are hearts, and then 3 of those cards, the remaining 3, are going to be clubs. So this is what our hand looks like, and we want to know how many different hands can be made with this combination. Now, let's consider first the 2 hearts in our hand. How many hearts are there in total in a deck of cards? Well, there's 13. Ace all the way through to king. So we know that in total, or n, we have 13 hearts that are available to us. But in our hand, we only want 2 of them, as you can see, 1, 2. So we're going to say r is equal to 2. Now we'll make a similar argument here for clubs. We know that we've got 3 clubs in our hand. In other words, r equals 3. We're only choosing 3 of the clubs, and in total, we have 13 clubs available for us to choose from. Now the last step here is to use the fundamental counting principle. Since we know that we want 2 hearts and 3 clubs, that and should remind us that we're going to be taking the combination for hearts and clubs and multiplying them together. So let's set up our equation. We are going to have the 2 hearts, which is going to be n choose r, or 13 choose 2. And we're going to multiply that, again, because we said that we need to have a hand that includes 2 hearts and 3 clubs. That and tells us to multiply. We're going to multiply that by the combinations of clubs, which is going to be n choose r, or 13 choose 3. Great. Now we can go ahead and plug those numbers into our formula. So we're going to have 13 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 13 minus 2 factorial. And all of that is multiplied by our other combination here, which is going to be 13 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 13 minus 3 factorial. Now the denominators there simplify a little bit, but if you go ahead and punch through the numbers here, probably using a scientific calculator or Desmos, you do end up with a total number of hands that's equal to 22,308. And that's how many 5-card hands can be formed.